just saw a group of people talking to some people who take pictures like Iron Man dress-alikes and Wolverine dress-alikes here on the street, which tells me even though they're tourists, they're open to whatever Hollywood has to offer them, which means they'll probably be open to seeing a magic trick. So follow me and let's see. Oh shit, I think they disappeared. Oh wait, no, they're over here, they're over here. Excuse me? No, I'm talking to you. Could I show you a magic trick? Because I'm trying to teach kids how to go up to people and show them magic.
Okay.
Alright, cool. I'm Evan.
Okay.
Kay, nice to meet you. You can be in it if you want to. Here. Kay, your name is?
Yes.
Awesome. Yeah. Take a look at it. You can show your friends or... Cool. Take it. Put it into... Or here. You go ahead and put it somewhere closer to the bottom, huh? Camera see that? Got that? Now, magicians are supposed to be like very good with a pack of playing cards. They should be able to know like where any card is at any moment or so. Obviously, your card's near the bottom. I'm going, because of where you put it, I'm going to try to control it or just shuffle it and get it in a position to where it's one of the top 5 cards or so. Go ahead, tell me when to stop.
Stop.
Okay, here, hold on to this. I think your card's somewhere in here. So, let's see. Okay, look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cards. I'm gonna try to read your facial expressions, and I'm gonna go through these 5 cards, no more, no less, right? If you see your card in here, try not to react, but when I ask you if it is in here, don't lie to me, cool? So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cards. One of them's yours, right?
I don't know because I kind of forgot which one it was.
Was it in there?
Yeah.
You remember.
Yeah.
Whisper to her what it was.
Huh?
Whisper to her what it was. Let her know what it was. All right, here, go ahead and put this on the rest of the deck. We don't need any more, so check it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cards. One of them's yours, according to your friend. I'm gonna take what I think is your card, right here. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4 cards. Turn the deck over in your hands and spread through the deck to find your card. But I think what I may have accidentally done all the way, I don't want to touch it, is I think I accidentally put it in upside down.
Oh, wow. That is the card. This ain't nothing but the devil. Yo, that was pretty good.
Oh, thank you very much. Could I ask you something really quick? When I came up to you and said hello, do you remember the first thing I said to you?
You're trying to show people how to come up to, you're trying to show kids how to come up to people and do tricks.
Cool. Just I wanted to see, because sometimes you never remember that first interaction.
Yeah.
You're just like, I don't know, which maybe the point that I was trying to make is like, it doesn't matter what you say because they're gonna forget what you say anyway. But in this instance, you remember what I said. A lot of people, I actually saw you interacting with some of the street performers, so I thought you guys would be approachable. I don't know if you're tourists or locals. So I thought you'd be open to seeing magic if you're open to taking pictures with some of the lookalikes or whatever. With that being said, and maybe that is the answer, like I predicted, but you could have said no to me. You'd be like, no, I don't want to see any magic. What was it about the situation that made you say, okay?
I'm just open-minded.
Yeah. Cool. Simple as that. Thanks for watching, you guys. Come back tomorrow for a different magic trick performed out in the streets. I'm Jarek120 of Disturb Reality. Comment and like this video. Check out my second channel for weekly vlogs, best life I ever had. Catch you tomorrow. Peace.